What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Chill J, and we're here with another vlog. And you already freaking know this will be day 2 of us in Chicago. What up, Khalil? He didn't woke us up all this morning. Oh, Larry. Today is supposed to be more like our fun day. Yesterday we was kind of just, getting a vibe of the city. Trying a couple things, Boy, I don't need you falling off the bed now. Get butt over here. I don't need your mama coming back time. Oh my God. Anyway, yeah, like I said, today gonna be more like our fun day. We're gonna be hitting up. I ain't gonna tell y'all where. That's the whole point of y'all watching this vlog, right? Alright, then. I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm just watching this guy. And then I'm gonna hop in. Before we get further to the video, if you're new to the channel, it's your first time watching this channel, click that subscribe button. If you enjoyed my previous vlog, or if you like my videos in general, smash that like button. If you're interested in my videos, could have been the same question, but hit that notification bell so you don't miss no updates on my videos. No further ado, I'll catch y'all at the best location. I'm like in the shower. Let's get it, let's go. Say no cap. I can't wait till he start talking. Say no cap. No cap. Y'all can't even lie. Suck kiss. Y'all can't lie. I look good, bro. I look good, bro. Stop playing with the kid. Quit playing. Of course, you gonna always, one thing about life, you always gonna have haters in your life. And people like her as a hater.
I'm not.
Move.
You a hater.
I look good, bro.
No.
If I look good, then you look good, because you my sister and I'm your brother, so we both look good.
No.
But it's about me right now, so you know what I'm saying? Woo! Look at our view. We got a little construction, but that's okay though.
Y'all should have saw it last night.
Yeah, last night looked dope. If y'all didn't watch my vlog. What's the deal? It's like I'm just playing. We finna hit up the mall. We were supposed to stay here for a whole nother day, but change of plans. But we are gonna hit up the mall and we're gonna get some food. So catch y'all at the next location. Oh my God. Hey, this is the biggest McDonald's. I know I showed y'all in the previous vlog, but this is the biggest McDonald's I've ever seen. This is the biggest McDonald's I've ever seen. The biggest location. I gotta show you the full location. We might not shop in here, but this is where we coming in at. You know what I'm saying? They get let go. Yeah, I heard you. That's a smaller version. Shorter. Kinda like the shirt she got though. Good vibes only. I need a shirt like that. That's what they mall outlet. They outlet mall look like so far. I need exchange. I I don't know. I was about to call it a Mary's with my dumb ass. That nigga good. Look at that Gucci line, y'all. That's a no for me. 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 They racist. I got a Disney store.
That's not in Michigan.
Yeah, they don't got that in Michigan. Well, they probably do. You gotta think, Sharon. You gotta think, Sharon. It's a lot of parts in Michigan. You know what I'm saying? It might be some stuff that's out of the city that we don't even know that we got for real. Hey man. Hey, y'all comment below on the video. Y'all let me know what shoes y'all think is dope, or if y'all see any shoes that look dope, y'all comment below. We're just looking. Yeah. Yes, this what the Disney store look like, y'all. I don't even know if we got this in Michigan. Damn sure not Detroit, but I don't know. Y'all might think I be trying to hold Detroit. I don't be trying to hold my city. Wait, I'm just speaking facts. You know, we had to get something to eat. Chicago Burger Company. They finna go down. That's all me right there. What's up, Khalil? He said he don't care what's going on. He got his sucker. That's what they little mini mall look like inside the. That's how their food court look like in this outlet. What is at an outlet? You know, outlets only got so much, but they be having a lot too though. Girl, we still got a whole nother strip to go around. You gonna find one? I'm pretty sure they got a Foot Locker. They got Finish Line. They got Foot Locker. Wait, this all us right here. Let's see what Chicago Burger Company hitting on.
They gave us 2 burgers.
Burgers like, woo. Look like about to snap. And I got the seasoned chicken salad. Stop playing off the fruit punch. Woo! I'm dead. Right.
Mama was supposed to eat you some fries, Travis.
Let's see what we hitting on.
It's good.
You don't even barely taste it. Talking about it. Alright. It's my first time, y'all. It's in my reactions. I want the jalapeno part.
Is it hot?
My eyes watering a little bit. It's so good, but it's hot.
I'm glad I ain't give it that.
Chicago pretty nice though, y'all. Overall, so far. See, we went around the city, but we ain't went around the city. Like, we ain't go around like how I would have went around. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? Now let's see what this hitting on. Let me mix it in. You know, you gotta mix it in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? God dang it, Khalil. Whatever type of ranch dressing they got, it slaps. One thing that I learned about life: know everything you can't do nothing or get nothing in life. If you want it, if you put your mind to it, you can do it, you can get it. You can go anywhere in life. Ain't that right, Khadijah? You can go anywhere in life and do anything you want in life. Exactly. Put your mind into it.
And put that work in.
Facts. Big facts out there. No cow, I'm about to give me some size. Never not Nike. Never not Nike. Huh? Never not. 2 for 20. Oh, these boys though. I ain't no boy, I'm a man. Damn, $22? That ain't bad. They got the big ass jug. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I get this. I just might. Stop playing. There, they got a new policy. If you didn't know, thank me later. They didn't have nothing that I like for real. We about to leave. They ain't really got shit in. Yeah, we out. I done downloaded the app for nothing. No, excuse me. You're fine. No, I meant that. She's fine. Like, she's fine as fuck. Yeah, that one store back there, man. What was it called? Diplomatic.
Diplomatic.
Like, you know how, like, I don't know if a lot of y'all watch YouTube like that, but it's like a it's like a shoe store. It'd be like a shoe store called you got something that's called like Cool Kicks, and then you got sneaker shopping. You know, where all the celebrities be in there watching. Yeah, they got something like that here. I was looking at that price, bro, on some of them shoes. I was like, oh hell. They got the retro ones for like $200. They like $200. I'm like, $400. $200 to $400. My nigga, I could go back to the city and get them for like $110. Kiss my ass. Maybe I'm just too cheap for that stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm too cheap.
You are cheap.
Whatever. Bro, these look comfortable. Will I be gay? Fucking, you know? I don't know. Question. Do you think these will look right? Like, do you think these will look right if a guy wearing them? Like these ones, these white ones. You think they'll look right?
Yeah, I think so. Because, I mean, like, I know if they were a more, like, girly color, like, it would.
Yeah, then it's different.
Yeah.
But white, like white and gray, I mean,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Yeah, and I think that's totally, like, neutral. Like,
Right. It ain't too far, it ain't too.
yeah, exactly. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I think it would look right. And if anything, too, you can try it on.
For sure. Yeah, I might have to. I'm thinking about it. No cap, bro. These comfortable, bro. I'm about to get these. These on my foot. It would have been better if it was black, bro. Y'all see the drip? Yeah, I'm gonna have to cop these, boys. I told y'all I was coming out with something. I was coming out with something. I gotta show them my Crocs, bro. I got some custom. Well, we both got custom Crocs. I had to get some, especially one with the fur in it. But mine white though. I ain't get no gray ass color or nothing like that. I wasn't gonna get none because I was like, bruh, like, what color could I really get? Because they didn't have black on my size. They had white, but like, I don't know. I thought I was gonna run into a hottie. I guess I did. So you know. She talking about this one white girl. Cause she was just She was just staring at me. I was like, she was just, well, probably not at me per se, but she was staring towards our direction. So I spoke. I'm like, I just waited like, hey. She was like, yeah. You think she did it like she didn't want to, or you think she was doing it in a shy way? Oh, no, Gucci open. You ain't see the girl. Did you? You ain't see that line? That's a no for me. Yeah, they was open. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta pee. Fuck this shit. That's all. I'm praying that this McDonald's right here is open. At least on the inside. Yep. So big. What in the fuck? What the fuck? I just want to go to the bathroom. I don't even. Well, I might get it. I'm gonna get something from here. I just want to go to the restroom. Yeah. I didn't want to just touch it. Appreciate it. That white dude was cool as hell. All right, people. Now, what I am gonna get from here is a frappe. They don't sell wraps here, y'all. Y'all know how the McDonald's be having like the grilled chicken wrap and the crispy chicken wrap. They don't sell that here. I don't know if that's just this location or that's Chicago, period. I think that's just this location. Cause I don't know. Like if this is open, like look at this top part. Like that is nice. Yeah, that bitch look cold though. Yeah. That bitch nice. I'm about to go find me a hottie. Beach. Man, when I say every spot, say tow zone only, on every street, literally like. But everybody be parking there like. They be parking there with no problem, so it's like, I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, this is a vibe, bruh. When it comes to the parks, like parks and stuff like that, it is not like this, bruh. Like people be out, like they don't be doing picnics and stuff like that right now. At least during the corona. Oh, it's a nice little field to do a football game. It's nice. Look at those toes. Look at those toes. Fresh. Yeah, I guess this is Chicago's beach, I guess. I thought it was like more sand. I don't even know if that's sand down there or not. That might just be concrete. Hey. Oh, it's slippery. Oh, I'm about to take these off. Oh, heck it off. Oh, take these off. I'm playing to it. And it's still slippery. Wow, I'm low-key scared, man. That jelly is scary, man. It feels good, though, if you just chill right here. See, bro, I'm kind of glad I'm not, like, with, like, some friends or something. Like, I got
to push you.
Yeah, bro. People that, like, Wookie or Uncle Tom or somebody, they the type that, like, try to push you, like, towards you or something.
Don't that look like a rock?
Don't they look like, huh? What you doing? Oh my God. Ooh. A little bit. Oh, look at that. Hell no. Bruh, if y'all was up there, y'all would think this is sand, but this is not sand. Like I was really thinking about going to the edge and, oh shit, I would have failed, bro. It would have been raps. I don't know. Let's look on the map. Bruh, you make one false move down there, it's over, bro. You're gonna fall. it's like slippery. Like that's why you see everybody walking extra slow. 'Cause they already know. Hey, bruh. So I decided we should like sit down, like how they is, but we not gonna be that close though. They just usher. Here come a big one.
That's going to Jacob.
Bruh. It's a vibe, but if you don't know how to swim or you don't got no balance out here, it's over. Like
JJ, feel the ground. That's why it's so slippery.
what is this? What is this? Woo! Oh my Jesus. Then it's cold, so it don't make it no better.
That's the survival.
Bruh. This a vibe though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's different. See, they getting lit over there, but we ain't getting that close. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Then there's people in the water, but like I said, if you know how to swim,
I know how to
then
swim, but I'm not getting that.
if you know how to swim, then you kind of straight. Or it's not that bad then if you know how to
I
swim.
know how to swim, but I'm
Me?
not getting that.
I don't know what it's like. I don't know if y'all can see. Hey, I'm about to test out my water thing. Let's see if they.
I'm scared for you letting that nigga try.
What you think my phone gonna mess up? That boy lit. What they talking about? That boy lit. What they talking about, bro? I mean, it is waterproof. They say it's waterproof. Shoot, why not test it out?
Mama don't even use her water.
Shoot, I am. I ain't pay all this money just to not use it. That's lit. I'm up with it. Look at them birds. Hey. Hey, yo. Alright, look, listen. We gonna name y'all, right? My nigga right here, we gonna call him Tommy, right? Him right here, he the dirty one. We gonna call him Dirty Dan.
I ain't dirty.
We gonna call him Dirty Dan.
Dirty Dan.
The hell, he got red? He got brown, red spot? You infected? That nigga got the Rona. That's what.
Three of
them got it. Y'all got Corona, man. I like this though. I wouldn't. Hey, they getting lit though. We should. I would go with her. We ain't got my mask. I'm off all with me.
I got stairs right back there.
I might have to run into a hottie or two. Sharon, you close your eyes if you with me. Only person that ain't leave my side is my nigga. We gonna name him Earl. Hey, Earl. Do you got a limp? Oh, his thing. One of his foot fins is off. Like if you notice, if you look at his foot, he got like a little foot. Like you know, we all got feet, but he got one. That's why he was limping like that. Oh, I'm about to cry. I don't know why she put these on me, but you know, it was good while I lasted. But my sister's ready to go. My bigger sister, so we just get them out of here. We probably about to get something to eat. And we gotta find them. But we ain't like we got money. Come on, even though we weren't able to, well, we ain't get the water, but we're not ready. This is actually dangerous, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. It's a vibe. I can say that. If you want to just get in the, like, if you want to just kind of just like put your feet in the water and just let the water hit you type stuff, then I recommend it. But sitting though, not if you know how to swim, then it really doesn't matter because you know how to swim. Oh my God, look at this. Alright, we gonna name it, right? So his name gonna be shit. Spend a night, you know. Well, no, it ain't really happened for real. We just trying to find some food for real. And I ain't gonna say hurry up. I'm gonna find me something. I'm about to get some Italian food or something. I'm about to see if this little place hitting on. Your boy have to go to that restroom, but that's okay. My little sister just reminded me, like, I'm surprised you ain't show the vlog your food. I'm like, dang, I was so hungry, I forgot all about. As y'all see, I'm sweating because I just ate some buffalo wings. But like, it's like with they sauce, we kind of like in a Muslim area. You know what I'm saying? So they food be hitting different. Like when they be giving out, I can barely talk. Nah, it's like they buffalo wings. It's like, don't get me wrong, it's hot obviously because it's buffalo wings, but it's not that type of hot where you and this boy like I'm sweating because I supposed to be sweating. I just ate some buffalo wings.
Trying to get the stuff on.
But it ain't to the point where I'm going crazy. And I can eat it like constantly. Like it don't faze me. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it, but it's weird. Tastes good. I even got a cake. Ooh, I was about to say quesadilla. I got a chicken shawarma. That's what I got. Look at this guy. Hey. What are you doing? I think he about to start crying, bro. Damn, son. Bro. Oh, they did. They put napkins in already. Oh, I needed that. I'm kind of glad we just going home after this because when I put that mask on, nah. After I done ate the wings, it's like when I put that mask on, it's like I feel everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. Not the banging. Hey, she drunk as fuck. She's stumbling and shit. Peep the drip though. Ooh. These the only ones I was really able to get for real because, you know, I ain't about to get no gay ass shit. So we are at the room, guys. That is the end. This is the end of the day of the vlog. All that stuff. Even though we ain't go inside of the pool or a beach for say, that I did right there, that was lit to me. I still had a good time. So I still had a good time, so that's all that matter. No, for real, all jokes aside though, this is the end of the vlog. If y'all really enjoyed this vlog or y'all learned some or y'all dislike anything in this vlog in general, click that subscribe button, click that like button. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so you don't forget any of my videos that I upload and my vlogs. My birthday coming up in September, that's really gonna be lit. Stay tuned. It's your boy Chill J. I'm out this boy. Let's go.